Want to learn how to use ChatGPT even if you've never tried AI before? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to get started with ChatGPT. Let's go! How to use ChatGPT in 2025 Beginner Guide. Step 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a smart AI chatbot by OpenAI. It can answer questions, write for you, brainstorm ideas, and even help you with school, work, or business. You visit chat.openai.com.
Step 2. Sign up. To get started, go to chat.openai.com and create a free account. You can sign in with Google or email.
Step 3. Start chatting. Once you're in, it's simple. Just type a message here and hit enter. Here are some examples you can try. Explain Bitcoin in simple words. Give me 3 YouTube content ideas. Write a thank you email for a job interview. What can I help with? Live typing. What is Bitcoin in simple word? ChatGPT replied. It works like cash on the internet. Step 4. Bonus tips. To get better results, follow these 3 tips. Be specific with your prompt. Give it a role. Like to act as a teacher, ask for edits. Like to make a response shorter or sound friendly. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials every week.